The Siliguri conference, conducted by the Center for Multidisciplinary Research and Action, CMRA, that has offices around India, is an attempt to bring people of various expertise on a common platform to work together in identifying important medicinal plants that are available in our ecosystem and works towards the environmental management in protecting them. There is twofold objectives with this. One is protecting the plants in the wild by helping people or commercial producers to learn how to commercially grow medicinal plants. In this way, there will be less exploitation of the medicinal plants in their natural habitat to reduce the anthropogenic pressures on them, and at the same time, by commercial growth or agricultural productivity, the plant could be increased or multiplied in significant number and it could be exported. The middlemen usually collect these medicinal plants from these poor indigenous producers or marginal farmers or harvesters or collectors from the forest at a nominal price. This low inducing value for this crop is being manipulated then by these middle agents or these middlemen by selling them to multinational companies and other big organic producers, or even to pharmaceutical, nutraceutical or functional food companies, both in India and abroad, at a very high price. Most companies, particularly in the Western world, are ready to pay extra huge amount of money for procuring these plant materials for the pharmaceutical, nutraceutical and functional food industries, as because in the colder countries, the commercial production of medicinal plants are limited. Only a very few handful of medicinal plants can be successfully and commercially produced. So there is the huge demand of the medicinal plant is usually made by collecting those harvests from the wilderness zones or wild areas. As a result, the exploitation of medicinal plants from our backyards has been increasing over the past few decades, and it has reached to that extent that now it is quite alarming that a vast number of important species of medicinal plants used in traditional medicine like Ayurveda and other related traditional medicinal practices are finding it difficult to locate raw materials in the common market or also in their wild habitat, as because they have been ruthlessly exploited. Although this conference highlights on the two medicinal plants, Salacia as well as Cinchona, for focusing the attention on the commercial production of medicinal plants. However, it is important to mention or note that the overall focus of the conference was to increase the educational awareness of the people about the importance of the medicinal plants and how to conserve them and protect them from ruthless exploitation, and to at the same time multiply their number for commercial agricultural purpose, so that we can export it at a considerable higher rate and help poor farmers for additional income generation. So this conference was a platform for looking for various opportunities of what kind of lands that could be procured for the commercial production of medicinal plants, and also to look into opportunities to train people who are interested in commercial production of the farmers so that they can produce medicinal plants. At the same time, how this could be done, this is being located at a commercial places and helping them, the farmers, to understand the market, how to market their products, where to find the customers, and how to sell these products to the deserving customers. These conferences bring in a lot of experts together so that they can exchange their ideas to find out a common platform, how CMRA could act together with PMI and other participants to make and help them to find the necessary knowledge gap in the commercial production of medicinal plants, and how various organizations, including corporate houses that are interested in environmental management of natural plant resources as well as major and minor forest resource, forest products, could work together and help each other in gathering knowledge about medicinal plants, educating the people, and helping farmers to gain necessary knowledge and provide them with the tools and kits that are essential for the commercial production of medicinal plants.